extinction of the Barbary lion and the implications for current conservation. Through the study of historical extinctions of lions, the Barbary lion in particular, Black, Fellis, Yamaguchi, and Roberts gained an extensive understanding of the events which led to the extinction of the Barbary lion. Once examined, it was found that the events experienced by the Barbary lions were significantly similar to that in which current lions experience in today's world. Although originally found in the 19th century whilst being hunted in the Atlas Mountains and Saharan boundaries, the Barbary lion had survived for centuries roaming the Maghreb region in northern Morocco from the 16th to 18th centuries. Yet it was not until the 1880s that these creatures retreated to the Atlas Mountains and Saharan boundaries where they were hunted into extinction. An extinction in which was initially recorded to be in the 1970s, when the final Barbary lion was shot in the wild. However, through examining years of sighting records and interviews, with taking into account their location and date, Black, Fellis, Yamaguchi and Roberts found that the 1970s was far from the final sightings of the Barbary lion, and therefore not the true date of their extinction. Although the years following after this alleged extinction went by as invalid to the UICN, the investigators Black, Fellis, Yamaguchi and Roberts soon became aware of various documents in which consisted of photographs of cubs and tame lions that this organisation dismissed. Documents in which provide evidence that the Barbary lions existed into the 20th century as captive animals. It is through such a research of historical patterns that Black, Fellis, Yamaguchi and Roberts created a formula to predict the extinction of current lion species which experience similar threats in which the Barbarian lions experienced during their lifespan. This information also allows the team of investigators to gain an understanding of the effectiveness of current conservation efforts. In the discussion of Black, Fellis, Yamaguchi and Roberts, it is stated that the experiences of the Barbary lions was almost identical to that in which threatens modern-day felids. Threats such as habitat availability, wild prey availability, human behaviour, and the use of land by humans, including livestock management and socio-economics. Along with this investigation into the events which led to the extinction of the Barbary lion and the influence this information can have on current lions, and the conservation efforts made to protect them, Black, Fellis, Yamaguchi and Roberts also investigated the influence that human presence and group population decreasing had on the behaviour of current lions to gain an even more extensive understanding of current conservation efforts.